got the situation where I have to, gonna have to do the painting of the side panels at least, with the badges intact. The reason being is the previous owner has actually glued them in place. So if I try and wrestle them out, it's going to break. So I'm just restoring the actual badges themselves at the minute with some paint. Here's one I did earlier. Quite pleased with that actually. That's looking good. Because basically a lot of the white had fallen out, and the previous owner had kind of done a sunrise effect in yellow on the lettering, which I didn't like. Same on this one. And this was a different badge actually. This was entirely chrome around the outside, whereas that one was like a matte black. And so I'm doing them all in matte black. So I've etched the chrome plastic, and I'm just doing a coat of matte black on it now. Good, pleased with that. So I'll let that paint dry. It looks a bit glossy at the minute, but the black is actually matte and it's going to dry off. And hopefully it'll be just like that one once it's done. So pleased with that. All I've used is these kind of Humbrol enamels and small brushes. And it was easier than I thought. Steady hand. Everything's okay. So, having completed the two side panel badges, which I'm very pleased with, turned my attention to the tank, and as the previous owner had done with the tank badges, they'd also glued these on as well. So the pins was kind of supplemented with what looks like epoxy resin, because I did get them off the tank, but God, it was a struggle. You can see, loaded with glue as well. So much so it's even taken the pin shank out of that one. I have to say, these are not, you can see this kind of sunrise effect. So you'd need to repaint them, probably take the paint off them, use some paint stripper, repaint them again. But because of the intricacy of the kind of the silver lines on the edges of the lettering, I think that'll be quite difficult to achieve. This was actually easy to achieve because you had a nice well in the chrome lettering, which allowed the paint to sit in there nicely, and it is very accurate actually. I painted all this, and you'd never know. It looks really good. But this is going to be a different thing entirely. I did attempt, as you can see, but it looks hand painted, which I suppose has got its own charm. But it's not the thing I'm hoping to achieve, so I'm going to buy some new badges. So if anyone wants these ones, put a note in the comment and I'll send them to them. Yeah, okay.